Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. This morning, we'll awaken your inner energy and set a clear intention for the day ahead. Whether you're just waking up or taking a mindful pause before your day begins, this is your time to connect with your purpose and vitality. Find a comfortable, seated position with your spine naturally upright, as if a gentle string is drawing the crown of your head toward the sky. Rest your hands comfortably on your thighs or in your lap. Allow your shoulders to soften away from your ears. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling right now. There's no need to change anything. Simply observe with kindness whatever emotions or sensations are present in your body and mind. Let's begin by taking 3 energizing breaths together. Breathe in deeply through your nose, imagining you're drawing in fresh morning air filled with possibility. And exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any sleepiness or mental fog. Breathe in again, this time welcoming clarity and alertness into every cell of your body. And breathe out any tension or worry about the day ahead. One more deep breath, breathing in confidence and inner strength. And breathing out, feeling yourself becoming more present and awake. Now allow your breath to find its natural rhythm. With each inhale, imagine you're breathing in golden light, filling your body with warmth and energy. With each exhale, feel this light spreading throughout your entire being. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breathing. Notice the steady, reliable rhythm of your heartbeat. This is your life force, your inner power, always available to you. As you breathe naturally, begin to scan your body from the top of your head down to your toes. Starting with your scalp, forehead, and temples, breathe energy and awareness into these areas. Feel them awakening gently. Move your attention to your eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Soften any tension here while inviting alertness and openness. Your face is relaxed, yet bright. Breathe awareness into your neck and shoulders. Let them be both relaxed and ready to carry you through your day with grace and strength. Continue down through your arms and hands. Feel energy flowing all the way to your fingertips. These hands will create, connect, and accomplish meaningful things today. Bring your attention to your chest and heart center. This is where your intentions live. Breathe deeply here, expanding this space of purpose and love. Move down through your torso, your back, feeling supported and stable. Your core is strong and centered. Now, focus on your hips, thighs, and knees. These powerful parts of your body will carry you forward today with determination and ease. Finally, breathe awareness into your calves, ankles, and feet. Feel yourself grounded and connected to the earth beneath you, ready to take purposeful steps. Now that your body is awake and energized, let's set an intention for your day. This intention doesn't need to be complicated or perfect. It might be a feeling you want to cultivate, like peace or joy. It could be a quality you want to embody, like patience or kindness. Or perhaps it's simply an attitude, like staying open to possibilities. Take a moment in silence to let your intention arise naturally from your heart. Trust whatever comes up for you. Now, holding this intention gently in your awareness, imagine your day unfolding ahead of you. See yourself moving through your activities with this intention guiding you. Picture yourself responding to challenges from this centered place. Visualize yourself interacting with others while staying connected to this inner purpose. Feel the energy of your intention flowing through your body like a warm, golden stream. This energy is always available to you throughout your day. Whenever you need to reconnect with your purpose, simply take a conscious breath and remember this feeling. As we prepare to conclude, take one more deep breath, drawing in vitality and clarity, and exhale, sealing your intention in your heart. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back into your body. Roll your shoulders softly. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and look around with fresh awareness. Take a moment to appreciate this new day and the opportunity it brings. Carry your intention with you as you step forward into whatever lies ahead. Remember, you have everything within you to meet this day with presence, purpose, and inner strength. Thank you for beginning your day with mindfulness and intention.